everyone, I'm Lydia from Towin. This is our company. Towin Light Industry Machinery Factory. Our factory has 30 years old. We are the manufacturers of making the printing machine for the practice cups, caps, lid, boxes, and pills. Also the 30 mold super machine. Come in, I'll show you our factory's position. Follow my step. I'll show you this our meeting room. The factory position. Wow. The tools, flexible tools, like this one, for cosmetic. Different shades and sizes of the cups, the flower pots. This is the boxes we sell to the Mexico customers. This customer buy the machine from us about 15 years ago, but later we have got the high quality from them. They placed the order for 2 machines from us again last year. So very nice for our printing machines. The caps. So we are the manufacturers for the machineries. Welcome to join us, our teams. Any machines for the printing, you can find us. I'm very confident they will shop right for you. Thank you.